Hi there, I'm here with your truck. So we still have our misfire. I've done the plugs, I've swapped the number 4 coil to position 2, and I tried the wires as well. So this is a misfire counter. So we mainly have a misfire on 4. Cylinder 3 misfire can be, when you have another cylinder that's got a few misfires, it can be misleading because the ECM will misinterpret the misfire and attribute it to the wrong cylinder. So it may just be the case that we've got a misfire on 4 and it's just misinterpreting that signal and also telling us that we've got a misfire on 3, when really we only have one on 4. So at this point we need to do a compression test and see if we have any mechanical problems with the truck. We need to look at injection issues and see what's going on. Okay, thanks.